Good morning, students. This we will do now the differential. Differential in class 11 also we done. So some part we have to do revision. This formula already we done in 11th. So again you will understand this formula. Look at differential of x power n. We have the n x power n minus 1. Whatever the power you have, that you write in multiple, and one power you will decrease. Okay, just as a x power 3 you write 3x power 2, x power 7 you write 7x power 6. Okay, now look here differential of root x means power is 1 upon 2, so you can write 1 upon 2 x power 1 upon 2 minus 1. That you will solve, you will get 1 upon 2 root x. So you will learn direct that root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Differential of constant will be 0, and differential of sin x is cos x. Differential of cos x is minus sin x. Differential of tan x is sec square x. Differential of cot x is minus cos x square x. Differential of sec x is sec x tan x, and differential of cos x is minus cos x cot x. Differential of sin inverse x is root 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Differential of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x. Look at differential of sin inverse x and differential of cos inverse x, only change of minus. Same as it is, differential of tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, and differential of cot inverse x equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Here also the tan inverse x differential and cot inverse x differential both is same, only difference of minus. Sec inverse x is 1 upon root 1 upon x root x square minus 1, and differential of cosec inverse x is minus 1 upon x root x square minus 1. Here you can check this sec inverse x and cosec inverse x differential also same. So sin inverse x cos inverse x differential is only change of minus. Similarly tan inverse x and cot inverse x differential is only change of minus, and sec inverse x and cosec inverse x change is only minus 1. Differential of e power x is e power x log differential of log x is 1 upon x. Differential of a power x is a power x log a. So all of you understand this formula. This formula will be very important formula. Okay, look here, differential of fx plus minus gx will be equal to differential of fx plus minus gx, and differential of constant fx, constant you can take outside, and the differential of fx you will do. Here c is a constant. Differential of fx into gx, that will be equal to fx differential of gx plus gx differential of fx, and same as it is this formula, differential of fx upon gx. So this you write gx differential of fx minus fx differential of gx upon gx whole square. Okay, so you will learn in this formula also the differential of numerator upon denominator. You will have denominator into differential of numerator minus numerator differential of denominator upon denominator whole square. So that also you can learn. So look at these formulas are very important for your. Now we will have here derivative of function of function. This portion is very important. Look at differential of f of gx. F of gx, how we will do? Look here, we should know the differential of fx and gx. Differential of fx is f dash x, differential of gx is g dash x. So look here, differential of f of gx you have to find, means f dash, and place of x you write gx. You can check, place of x is what is gx, so gx you write as it is. Now differential of gx you do, and gx differential is what is g dash x, that you write. All of understand this? Look here, we will take one example that you understand this. Differential of sin log x, differential of sin log x. So differential of sin you should know, differential of sin x is cos x, and differential of log x is 1 upon x. Now place of this x we will have here log x, so you write here cos log x. All of you understand? Sin x is cos x, means sin log x will be cos log x, and differential of log x you know already, that is 1 upon x, so you multiply by 1 upon x. All of you understand this? Similarly we have to do this differential of cos x cube plus 2x. Differential of cos is minus sin x. Differential of cos is minus sin, and this is as it is. This you have x cube plus 2x, and differential of x cube is 3x square. Here is square, 3x square plus 2. Okay, and 3x square you can write in starting, so you will get here 3x is minus bracket 3x square plus 2 into sine x cube plus 2x. All of you understand this? Differential of sec of tan of root x. So here the outermost function is sec. So sec x formula you should know. Sec x is sec x tan x. Then second is tan x. So tan x formula you should know, sec square x. And root x formula you should know, 1 upon 2 root x. These three formula you should know here. Then look here, you have to do first sec. So differential of sec, if we know that sec x tan x, and place of x is what is tan root x. So you write here sec tan root x tan root x. All of you understand this? Now we have to do the second. Second is here tan. So tan differential is what is sec square x, and place of x is what is root x. So you write here sec square root x. Now third, we have to do differential of root x. Root x differential is what is 1 upon 2 root x. So all of you understand. Now you write in a proper way. So you will get this answer, 1 upon 2 root x into sec square root x, sec bracket tan root x into tan root x. All of you understand this? Look here, question number 4 is y equal to sine ax plus b upon cos cx plus d. So here you have to do differential, dy by dx equal to, now this is fx upon gx. Okay, so gx you write as it is, differential of fx minus fx as it is, differential of gx, and gx upon gx whole square. Now this you will write here cos cx plus d, differential of sine ax plus b minus sine ax plus b, differential of cos cx plus d upon cos cx plus d whole square. Now look here, here differential portion is these only. This is you have to do differential, this you have to do differential. Differential of sine is what is cos ax plus b, and ax plus b differential is a. Similarly here cos cx plus d differential is minus sine cx plus d, and cx plus d differential is c. Now you write in a proper way, you will get here dy by dx equal to a cos cx plus d cos ax plus b plus c sine ax plus b sine cx plus d upon cos square cx plus d. So if you this is very simple question. You here outer function is what is root x. So root x formula is what is 1 upon 2 root x. All you understand? Next is cot. So cot x formula is what is minus cos square x. Third is x square. So x square formula is what is 2x. Now if you want, you cannot do continuous. Now you can use this method also. I give you a different method also. This is the different method. Look here, 2 is as it is. Now differential of root you have to write. Root means 1 upon 2 root x, means place of x is what is cot x square. So you write here place of x 1 upon 2 root cot x square. All of you understand this? Now second is what is cot. So you have to do differential of cot x square. Okay, cot x differential is what is minus cosec square x. Okay, and place of x is what is given x square. So here you will get here first part is as it is, 2 you can cancel, and minus cosec square x square you get. Now x square differential is what is 2x. So you can write here 2x. Now you write in a proper order, you will get here minus cosec square x square into 2x upon root cot x square. So this you write cos 2x you write in starting. So you write 2 minus 2x cosec square x square upon root cot x square. Now we will do question number 6. If y equal to e power sine inverse x, you have to find dy by dx. Look here, y equal to e power sine inverse x. Here the first function is e power x. So e power x differential is what is e power x. Second function is sine inverse x. So sine inverse x differential is what is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Look here, e power sine inverse x means e power x formula is what is e power x, place of x is what is sine inverse x. So you write here e power sine inverse x. Now differential of sine inverse x you have to do. Differential of sine inverse x is 1 upon root 1 minus x square, that you can write as it is. Now dy by dx will be equal to e power sine inverse x upon root 1 minus x square. All of you understand this? This is very simple. Look here, question number 7. Here y is given to you sine tan inverse e power minus x. You have to find dy by dx. Look here, outer function is here sine. So you write the sine differential is cos x. Second function is tan inverse. So tan inverse formula is inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. And next is e power x. So e power x differential is e power x. The next is minus x. Minus x differential is minus 1. Here function to function, function to function, 4 functions are given. So 4 functions, all formula you should know. And we will do one by one. Okay, continuous we will not do. Look here. Starting is sine. So what is differential of sine is cos x, and place of x, what is place of x? This you have to write as it is. So you will get here cos tan inverse e power minus x. Next is what is tan inverse. So you write here differential of tan inverse e power minus x. All understand? Now first part is as it is. Differential of tan inverse. Differential of tan inverse is what is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and place of x is what is e power minus x. Place of x is e power minus x. So you can write here 1 upon 1 plus e power minus x whole square. Now differential of e power minus x is remaining. Now here you will arrange, you will get this first portion. Now differential of e power minus x is what is e power minus x, but minus x again you have to do differential, that is minus 1. So you will get this format, and finally you will get the answer is dy by dx is minus e power minus x cos tan inverse e power minus x upon 1 plus e power minus 2x. Look here, this is a very important question. You do practice. It is a very simple. You have to do one by one. You have to check the function. Outer function is what is outer function is sine. Sine differential is cos x. Place of x is given to you tan inverse e power minus x. You write as it is. Okay, second is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. This is 1 upon 1 plus x. X place of x is what is e power minus x. E power minus x whole square, right? Next is e power minus x. E power minus x differential is e power minus x. And this minus x you do again, so you will get this. This is a very simple question. So you have to do book some questions also given. This the fx is a differentiable at x equal to a. Fx is differentiable at x equal to a. Then when it is a differentiable, that you have to check, you have to find first left hand derivative. Left hand derivative, you have a formula limit x tends to a minus fx minus fa upon x minus a, and right hand derivative formula is limit x tends to a plus fx minus fa upon x minus a. Look here, left hand derivative will be equal to right hand derivative because this function is differentiable at x equal to a. So prove that fx equal to modulus of x minus 1 is not differentiable at x equal to 1. It is a not differentiable, you have to check out. So look here, left hand derivative, right? Left hand derivative is limit x tends to 1 minus fx minus f1 upon x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1 minus, and place of fx you write modulus x minus 1 you can write, and place of f1 you will have 1 minus 1 modulus upon x minus 1 as it is. You will get 1 minus 1 is 0. And look here, modulus of x minus 1, here x is less than 1. X is what is less than 1. So place of x you put less than 1 means here this modulus value will be negative. And here if this inside the modulus is negative, you have to make it positive. For that you have to multiply by minus. So you can check here, you will get here minus bracket x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Now this is cancel, you get minus 1, and here limit you put, you get minus 1. So left hand derivative you get minus 1. Similarly you find the right hand derivative. Right hand derivative means you have here x tends to 1 plus means more than 1. This part is as it is you have, and here this modulus you check that here is x is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means this you will, when you subtract this from greater than 1 you subtract, you get this modulus value. Inside the modulus you get the more than 0 value, greater than 0. Greater than 0 means this modulus value will be positive, so you will not to multiply by negative, so you will get here this value is x minus 1 upon x minus 1, so this is 1. So here you get the right hand derivative is 1. So both the right hand derivative and left hand derivatives are not equal. We can say that the function is not a derivative x equal to 1. Look here this value now, this is x is less than 1. Less than 1 means suppose you have here 0.7 and 0.7 minus 1, what you get? Minus 0.3, and minus 0.3 means you have to make it positive, you have to multiply by minus, so it will become positive. And here is what is greater than 1, and greater than 1 means you can suppose 1.2. 1.2 minus 1 is what is positive, so you need not to multiply by minus. So this because of this you have here minus 1 and minus 1, minus 1 and 1, so these are not equal. So here left hand derivative, right hand derivatives are not equal, means this is not a differentiable.